Have you ever noticed how efficient companies are? You walk into a store and they maximize the use of space, so there's hardly any wasted space in the store. They're also laid out to where they channel people through effectively, so there isn't huge crowds of people. There are also different levels and categories of employees to make your shopping experience more enjoyable and more effective. You also notice that when you go to the grocery store, items that you need are usually in the back of the store, like milk and eggs. So when you go back to get those things, you see other merchandise that you end up picking up that you don't really need. So you walk into a store with a list of things that you need to get, and then you walk out with more things than you had originally planned on getting. An industrial engineer is behind most of that. So what does an industrial engineer do? They find the most effective way to use people, machines, information, and energy. They manage all different aspects of companies. They can manage the people, or they can manage the machines and make them work more efficiently. They can also be on the financial side of a business. They can make sure the company is maximizing their profit and ensuring the quality of the products is up to date. They also can design systems or improve systems to make them more efficient. Most of us know that men dominate the engineering field. 9% of women were in the engineering field in 2003, and 3% were in high-level positions in 1972. However, that rose to 10% of women in high-level positions by 1998. So more and more women are getting their doctorate degrees in engineering and becoming either a professor or even a manager of a company. Mary Murphy is a psychologist at Stanford University. She wanted to find out why women are less likely to go into the engineering field. She found out that it is mainly because women are the minority in the field. They feel a low sense of belonging because they are surrounded by mostly men and not women. Women tend to feel more comfortable when they are surrounded by other women in their job. However, it is a good field for women to go into. Engineers need to be very detail-oriented, and studies have shown that women are more detail-oriented than men. So why do people choose to go into industrial engineering? Well, money is a big aspect of that. Most engineers' salary, the average is about $75,000 in the United States. That was in 2011. They can make up to $130,000 a year depending on their level of education and how much experience they have in the field though. It is also a very promising field. We're always going to need industrial engineers, and engineers today are very scarce for who is qualified and who thinks that they are able to be an engineer. There's also a lot of job opportunity in the engineering field, especially industrial engineering. There are so many different aspects that industrial engineers can do. They can be on the side where they manage machines and make them more efficient, or they can even be on the financial end to make the company have their maximized profit. Even if you're not interested in industrial engineering, an industrial engineer will impact your career sometime. They will make it more efficient, and they will make your life run more efficiently. So in the end, we do need industrial engineers. They will make our lives a lot more efficient each day. Today I went over what they do, the gender demographics of the field, and why people choose to go into industrial engineering. Tomorrow will be more efficient than today thanks to industrial engineers. Thank you.